Hola everybody, this is Bernat once again for another episode of how to carve chip carving patterns onto the wood. We will go with pattern number 5. Nothing new, tape, transfer marker, laser printer design, piece of wood, a chip carving knife, newly signed by me. Check this out. Huh? Good, eh? Let's get into carving. Pattern is taped and no secrets here. You can see there's no pattern now into the wood, and we'll transfer it using the transfer mark. Again, we apply liquid until we see the pattern. Once we see it, we don't need to apply anymore. Dry for a few seconds, not too long, just a little bit, and we apply pressure. This is the most important part. Evenly throughout the whole design. Freshly transferred. Let's get carving. Okay, this is the tripod for close-ups. And maybe for today's video, I will not talk so much. I will focus more on carving. Okay, basically I have to get another knife because this one I sharpened it, but maybe I did something wrong. It's not cutting so good, so I'm gonna take 2 of them now and see if they cut better. Oh, slip the knife here a little bit. Okay, I stopped for a little moment because I'm having a hard time carving this piece. Not because the knife is not sharp, but because this piece of basswood looks like it's very dense and it's really hard to carve. I mean, not really hard, but if I compare, for example, this piece of wood with this basswood is much harder and much more dense than this little piece. Look, we're gonna carve a similar pattern from the one that we're doing now. Okay, I'm just gonna carve a small triangle here. See, the knife has a hard time getting inside, even along the grain. It's dense, it's hard to get the knife inside here. Check this other wood here, this is basswood as well. Check how easy it is for this one, even next to a knot. It gets inside way easier and even deeper with less effort. It's crazy the density on this basswood. So yeah, sometimes I was wondering if I did a mistake sharpening the knife, and it's like, no, the knives carve good. The only thing is, it's so dense. So let's stop crying and finish the carving. You see here, only using the very tip of the knife at the end of the chip. These sides are finished. Now let's get into these little ones here that surround the circle. The way that I deal with these cuts is this line here. I imagine that it follows until the wall in the front, right? So same goes here. This, you see this line? So for me this line goes all the way until here. I follow the line, same here, line. Now we can also make a series of cuts now, carving all the outer parts. And now we can carve all the inner parts. Hoping that this video will help you somehow with some of the cuts, with some of the tips on how to carve wood with a chip carving knife. I don't know how this video will be, long, short. I wanted to record the video of YouTube. I wanted to take it out the way. Sorry if there's not so much intention in this one. There will be more in the next ones. I just wanted to take it out of my to-do list. Better done than perfect. So there we go. At the end of the video, you can choose which pattern you want to see carved next. That's it. Bye bye. Take care.